Hi, my name is Francis. 13 years already. We met in a club named Nuvo. That was in 2011. And then we were just introduced by one of my friend, and then she was just introduced by one of her friend as well.
Nagkita mi sa club, nitakas ko sa among balay, kay di mo kasugtan mo laag.
I actually got mesmerized from the time I laid my eyes on her. It was very challenging because it was the time when I asked her for her number. She doesn't want to give it to me. She told me that I should find a way if I truly gonna pursue her.
Nya, maayo ra po di ay, kay pag alas 3 sa kadlawon, April 16, 2011, nagkita mi, siya po di ay, nitakasad siya. Taka siya siyang trabaho, wala na siya kabalik siyang break. Nya, since ato kay, nagsige na mi kuy-kuyo, yan nag-date-date na mi.
Alexia, did you come here today in your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
My handsome brother. Since nanaman jud ni, this will be a start of your new chapter with Lex, Zeus, and Athena. Always pay attention to your wife. Always exert extra effort for your family, and always be there for your family. Okay. Love you.
Love you. Ay.
Nagkayatag na ako.
Hatag na
ni
ko.
Or.
Hindi ko'y panghatag ni mo yun.
Di ay.
Akong bank account.
As parents kay, proud kay ko niya. Very hands-on. Siya ata ang pinaka-last nga bato, pinakadakong bato nga akong gunitan. Para daily legit ko makualan sa waves sa life. And for many years, bisag lisod, nagyapon siya. I think sige na kog joke, wala siya lang pangandoy. Ako ra yung pangandoy. So, wala siya firm nga pangandoy, yung pangandoy kay ako ra. Ugang mga bata. Kung asa ra may malipay. And I can't ask for more. Siya ang wind beneath my wings.
But it reminds me of all the ones I love. When I think of them, I think I have
Alexia, did you come here today in your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Nga, naabot na jud ni sa tanan sakripisyo nato, sa tanan atong giagian. Salamat kaayo na naagyapon ka sa ko ang kilid o sa atong pamilya. Salamat kaayo nga. Wa ka mo give up. I know, you know. Sunta ni kalisod atong giagian. For the 5 years in the making sa kanina kasal, madayon na jud. Salamat kaayo na. Wa ka mo give up. Wa sa ko mo give up. Basta para sa atong duha ka anak. Para sa atong pamilya. Laban lang jud ta.
reminds me of all the ones I love. When I think of them, I think I have enough.
But in whatever direction your married life will lead you, always allow the Lord to be a part of it so that you will always remain faithful, dedicated, and committed to each other for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do you part.
Thank you lang ga. Kay after 13 years, nagyapong ka. Balag lisod, magunit lang ta. And it's so nice nga you always choose me and choose our family above all. I thank you for everything that you are. And narapod ko, ita kabiyaan. Kuan lang ta, I'll choose you every day. Langga.
It reminds me of all the ones I love. When I think of them, I think I have enough. It reminds me of all the ones I love. When I think of them, I know I have enough.
Francis Ernest Paris, I vow to be here 50 years from now and choose you every day. Always remember na we have weaknesses, you have weaknesses, and I have weaknesses. I vow to keep reminding myself. I vow to choose you every day, to choose you and the kids.
Felixia Grace Cervantes is Paris. I promise you to love until the end of my days. Promise you that I will love the kids as much as I love you. I promise that you will be facing the problems not on your own, but I am with you always. And then, bisag unsay mahitabo, ang Ginoo gyud po'y magtunga sa ato ang relasyon ug sa atong pamilya. And I will love you till eternity.